Hello, everyone. Welcome to yet another episode. Today's episode is special. As you know, that the given time and situation and the pandemic, all of it together has made travel only a distant dream. So, today we are going to take you to a very special place, a place which is close to our heart, a place we call home. So, this is Kharghar city. It's no fancy hill station, but the view that we are going to show here is breathtaking. Hope all of you enjoy the video. Hi guys, so as you can see just right behind me, the waterfall has now come to life with the heavy showers. Right, I've just taken off my mask to feel the freshness, to breathe in the fresh air. And just to let you know, I am not at any hill station or this is not any road trip. This is just outside my house. So we are in Kharghar right now, and every time there is just a dash of drizzle, you can see the waterfall come to life. I don't know how much you can catch, whether you can catch a glimpse of it or not, because it's covered in fog. So yeah, that's pretty much how my home looks like.
So we are at the heart of Kharghar. Right before you, the circle there is called as Utsav Chowk. You will see a lot of high rises here. This is a residential area. So on our left, beyond the metro rail, you will see the Kharghar Hills. These are part of the Sahyadri Hills of the Western Ghats. So this area is a residential area. You will have a lot of high rises and also a few commercial buildings. So beyond this point, as soon as we cross this area, the lush greenery will start. That is where the hills will be very clear. So we are driving towards the golf course. So that is where you can see the hills clearly. So the building you see in front of you is the ISKCON temple, and on your left is the golf course. Golf course, and beyond the golf course are the hills, Kharghar Hills. There is a Gurudwara right in front of you. Look at the stark contrast across this hill. In those buildings, that's my home. Yeah, a lot of high rises there, and right opposite is this lush green Kharghar Hills. No sign of any construction here. I hope it stays this way. So during the monsoon, a lot of waterfalls appear from nowhere, and the view is spectacular from my balcony. So our activity today, what I plan to do is, we plan to climb on top of this hill. I have been staying here for so many years, but I have never actually come on this side. So let's see. Let's climb this hill for the first time, and let's see the view from top. So this is the way to the top, this winding trail. Yeah, we are planning to go on the top. So let's see how long it takes to reach the top. Is it slippery?
No, it is not. Even though it has just rained, I think a few weeks from now we can't do this climb because it will become even more slippery. But right now it is okay. Oh. So, should we do it?
How steep is the climb?
It is not very steep, but you have to be a little careful further up. Oh. Look at the view of all those high rises behind you. Thankfully this place is clean. I hope people don't come and throw trash everywhere. Okay, so now we'll have to find a way to go on the top. I have lost the trail, so yeah, things are going to get a little steep here, a little slippery. Let's try. I've been staying in this place for so many years. Now I just wonder why I didn't try and climb this hill. It is so beautiful. Thank God I decided to do this today. You can see some cyclists on the top.
Did you find a trail?
No, I'm still searching. Okay, there is something, I think something like a trail here. Well, the building you see there, that's my home. Okay, we are almost on the top now. So these hills go on for a few kilometers from here, right? Right in front of you is the Tata Cancer Hospital, the Navi Mumbai branch, and across the street is the Central Park and golf course, and well, that's my home. This area is pretty much untouched. I hope it stays this way. This looks like a planted tree here, so there must be some school excursion or residents coming here and planting trees, which is a good thing. This place is very clean. Thank God there is no trash lying around. Very clean and green. Hope it stays this way. So it is even more green on the other side. Completely no sign of any concrete wall there. Let's climb higher.
Is it steep? rolling. That structure you see there is the famous Taloja jail. Well, I don't see anybody there. Guess the prisoners there have been shifted to a different facility due to the current situation because of the virus. But what a place to be. If I was imprisoned, I would rather prefer this jail that is surrounded by these beautiful hills. This is more like a correctional facility. Okay, and beyond the jail are those hills there. There is a famous waterfall there called Pandav Kada. So it is believed the Pandavas who during their exile had come to this place, and there is a huge waterfall, and under the waterfall it is said that there is a tunnel. Yeah, so that's how that waterfall got its name. So those are that's the Kharghar skyline, if I can say. So yeah, again I regret why I didn't visit this place earlier. It is just beautiful. We are at the foothill, so you can say this is the place for grazing cattle. I wonder how they climb. It was a little difficult for us the way back. Almost at the end, we are almost at the main road, and across the street, home sweet home. Was a wonderful trek though. I'm sure I'll do many more. So we are at the end of our trek. We're almost on the road. Yes, so all done today. 2 hours of climbing and climbing down. It was a good experience. Should have done it earlier,